How can you use the Adobe clip, Adobe Premiere clip? We can choose to send photo from device, from camera, and other Creative Cloud, Lightroom, Dropbox, Drive. From device, I choose some photos like this, or these pictures here, and all this photo can we save and video. For example, this time our photo done. We are two possible export, like automatic and freeform. I choose automatic this time, and the program choose by self this automatic track. Now we are this automatic export for photos. Now we can make some different things. For example, we can convert to freeform or export this automatic track. Now we can export, save to gallery, and or publish and share on YouTube or another social network. I choose save to gallery on this format, 720p ID, and continue and wait for the OK this time. Okay, now is ready. This video is ready for export. Thank you for watching and goodbye.